Magandang araw mga kakampi sa kapayapaan. Narito na ang tampok na balita dito sa Kampilan News. Nakipagtulungan ang Joint Task Force Central sa Commission on Elections, BARM at Police Regional Office, Bangsamoro Administrative Region para matagumpay na may sagawa ang kauna-unahang Political Candidates Forum na ginanap sa Kampilan Clubhouse ng 6th Infantry Division noong Martes ng hapon, December 17, 2024.
Ang tema ng aktibidad ay ligtas at mapayapa na halalan sa Maguindanao, secure and fair elections, promoting equality, accountability, cooperation, empowerment for unity and lasting peace. Highlight sa nasabing aktibidad ang pledge of commitment ng mga kandidato para sa nasabing elective position at ang paglagda sa Peace Covenant. Ayon kay Attorney Reyes Malipaw, COMELEC BARM Regional Election Director, ikinatuwa niya ang pagtutulungan ng COMELEC, AFP at PNP sa hakbang na ginawa upang mamagitan sa mga mainit na kandidato sa politika na may kaugnayan din sa pamilya.
I would like to remind you that our armed forces of the Philippines is serious enough to enforce this peace covenant, to enforce this commitment of yours. You have to know that we have here the Western Commander, Lieutenant General Antonio Navarrete, who was sent out all over BARM. Thus, he would be ready to go against those who will not be making good of their commitments. We have also here from the Philippine National Police, Brigadier General Juan Macapas, in order likewise to show his commitment to ensure that these provisions in the Peace Covenant and of course the commitment you have taken this afternoon in this very enormous affair that will be enforced. And for the Commission on Elections, I would like to convey the seriousness of the Commission on Elections through our good chairman, Honorable Erwin George Mojica Garcia, that we are serious likewise in prosecuting those who will not make good commitments, will not make good to their the cabinet, to follow the cabinet, of course, to follow the election rules.
Muling iginiit ni Major General Antonio G. Navarrete, Joint Task Force Central at 6th Infantry Kampilan Division Commander, na ginagawa ng AFP at PNP ang kinanbahagi sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan at kaayusan sa rehiyon, lalo na ngayon malapit na ang election period.
Paparating namin sa mga komunidad, sa mga gustong nagbabalak na maggawa ng mga karahasan, mag-intimidate ng ating mga electoral voters. We know and where you are, and we will go after you. We are already doing this. We are already gathering data down to the communities, and you will see that there will be actions.
Inasahang magkakaroon ng katulad na aktibidad ang COMELEC, 6ID at ProBAR para sa iba pang elective position sa mga susunod na araw.
Bagong yugto sa liderato ng 40IB, asahan matapos umupo na ang bagong commanding officer sa isinagawang change of command ceremony. Mula sa Pikit, Cotabato, narito si Private John G. Ocson para sa kabuuang detalye ng balitang yan.
Formal nang umupo sa pwesto bilang acting commanding officer ng 40th Infantry Magiting Batalyon si Lieutenant Colonel Erwin G.E. Dumaghan na dating executive officer ng 602nd Infantry Brigade sa isinagawang turnover of command ceremony sa impila ng 40IB Barangay Lantingan, Pikit, Cotabato nitong ika-18 ng Disyembre nitong taon lamang na pinangunahan ni Major General Antonio G. Navarrete, Commander ng 6ID at Joint Task Force Central, Brigadier General Donald M. Gumiran, ang 602nd Brigade Commander, Chief of Staff ng 6ID Colonel Edgar L. Cato at ilang mga battalion commander ng GTFC. Kabilang din sa dumalo si Mayor Sumolong Sultan, Alkalde ng Pikit at Salik Mamasabulod, Alkalde ng Pagalungan, Maguindanao del Sur. Pinalitan ni Lieutenant Colonel Dumaghan si dating 40IB commanding officer Lieutenant Colonel Ronaldo M. Mamangon na namumuno sa mahigit 2 taon at nagpapasalamat din siya kay Major General Navarrete sa pagtitiwala sa kanya na maging CEO ng nasabing unit. Samantala, Binigyang diin ni Lieutenant Colonel Dumaghan ang kaniyang command philosophy na maging batayan sa kaniyang pamumuno ng nasabing unit.
Ladies and gentlemen, it will be a privilege to lead this unit, the 40th Infantry Magiting Battalion, and let me assure everyone that I will do my best to achieve our mission. In anchoring this unit, I will use the acronym LEAD in my leadership and command philosophy. LEAD as in lead by example, empathy, A for adapted and accountable, and D, determined and dependable.
Agad namang pinasalamatan ni Major General Navarrete si Lieutenant Colonel Mamangon sa kaniyang matagumpay na panunungkulan bilang commanding officer ng 40 IB.
Thank you, Ronald, for a job well done. To the Magiting Warriors 40 IB, you now stand under the capable leadership of your new commander, Sir Erwin J. I know for the IB will be also in good hands with your new commander. I have no doubt with the same passion, determination, and professionalism that Ronald has, that this battalion also deserves. This turnover is not just a change of leadership, but a renewal or shared commitment to the mission at hand.
Nag-uulat mula dito sa 40th Infantry Magiting Battalion, naglilingkod sa sambayanan, kakampi sa kapayapaan. Private Junji Okson, Kampila News.
Panibagong 15 na mga miyembro ng Lawless Terrorist Group sa Maguindanao del Norte ang nagbalik loob sa pamahalaan noong Lunes, December 16, 2024.
Isang programang isinagawa sa headquarters ng Brigade Support Area 1st Brigade Combat Team, pinangunahan ni Lieutenant Colonel Gilbert Buwado, Commanding Officer, ang pagpresenta ng mga sumukong individual kay Brigadier General Jose Vladimir Cagara, Commander ng 1st BCT. Bit-bit din ng mga ito ang kanilang mga kagamitang pandigma na mga sumusunod. Ikinagalak naman ni Brigadier General Cagara ang piniling hakbang ng 15 dating combatant para sa kapayapaan at kaunlaran ng kanilang komunidad. Pinasasalamatan naman ni Major General Antonio G. Navarrete, 6ID at JTF Central Commander, ang lahat ng nagsumikap para makamit ang matiwasay at mapayapang komunidad na malayo sa banta ng mga armadong individual.
At iyan ang tampok ng mga balita dito sa 6th Infantry Campilan Division at Joint Task Force Central, hatid sa inyo ng Campilan News. Para sa karagdagang mga balita, i-like at i-follow kami sa aming mga social media accounts na makikita sa inyong mga screen. Mula dito sa punong himpilan ng Campilan Division, ako ang inyong kakampi, Roland Orteliano. Maligayang Pasko! Naglilingkod sa sambayanan, kakampi sa kapayapaan, Campilan.